Anini na anene ameba gikundi giki meyumiririe mucini munene wa Nairobi mehumbite nguo cia rangi mutune iria ikwandikitwo ndumireria kumenereria ungumania. Gikundi giki kiugite Akenya ni maritoheirwo ni murigo wa muturire uria ucungirirwo ni guku mio.
Sisi wa Kenya nchi ni yetu, hatutashindwa, tutajitokeza kimasumasu, tutajitokeza na nguvu zote tupigane na mnyama huu ufisadi.
We are gathered here peacefully. We want to make every Kenyan know that we are tired and we are not going to allow a few people to keep on eating fish when we are eating skumas. So today it is a declaration that the president is supported fully by the people gathered here and who are not here.
Hindi ya Mururungano ucio gikundi giki ni kimenereirie miario ya atongoria ya kuhurana ungumania iria maugite ikoretwo irio miario tu itari na cieko.
We are here today to tell the president of this great nation it is the high time he must act. If he doesn't act, let him resign, because we are tired of this cosmetic talk of that I am fighting corruption, and nothing is happening. When people are mentioned who are corrupt, they must be arrested, prosecuted in a court of law, and then we hear people in Kamete prison or industrial area.
No ona matana igira tauni ya Nairobi, maafitha a borithi mekinya na guthararia Mururungano ucio kuhuthira ndogo ya guita maithori gugituika Mururungano ucio ndukwagirirwo gutwarithio nginyagia thiini wa tauni. Mihango ya ukui ni thararie kwa ihinda inini rire Mururungano ucio gutabanagio. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Kate Muthoni.